As part of its efforts, Turkey decided to develop a series of domestic electric trains. Mass production of locomotives will begin in 2022, and express trains and metros in 2023. Trains are also one of the best means widely used in and out of cities. Information shows that railways provide safe and comfortable travel opportunities. It also provides efficient and environmentally friendly economic opportunities in the field of transportation. Therefore, investments in the field of locomotives are increasing on a large scale. In Turkey, there is an urgent need to increase investments in locomotives and trains. In addition to public investments in the railway sector and the transport sector within cities, all vehicles used in railway transportation projects that take place within the foreign country. Looking at the metro and tram that have only been made in the last 30 years, we will find that Turkey imported 2,866 vehicles of 26 different types from 12 companies. Turkey is still planning to implement several major projects in the railway and urban transport sector. It is important to implement those local projects, in order to prevent spending too many resources on imports. In addition to contributing to the national economy by developing the local railway network vehicle industry and then exporting it abroad. In this framework, the three largest companies for the production and manufacture of railway cars in Turkey were merged, under the umbrella of the general management of the Turkish Railways Industry Corporation, Turkish. The three companies, Tavasa and Tulumsa, to manufacture railroad cars, and Tdemsa to build railways. Turkish aims to work on the design, production and maintenance of railway vehicles in Turkey, as well as to increase the rate of domestic production. Turkish's ambition to globalize production. Turkish has a significant domestic potential for the production of locomotives, freight and passenger vehicles. It aims to improve research and development methods for domestic industries, and develop design and production capabilities. The company also aims to work on the design, manufacture and maintenance of all railway vehicles and their components. Turkey has issued a decision to stop buying high-speed trains from abroad, except for operations whose contracts are still valid. Instead, local monorail components produced by Turkish will be used on high-speed rail lines. Within this framework, the company is expected to evolve from the domestic railway industry. It has become a global manufacturer of railway vehicles. It is worth noting that the components for diesel trains are produced under license to a foreign company within Turkish. The experience gained from the projects you undertake is used in the production of components for the local electric train. Beginning of tests on the components of the local electric train. In 2019, Turkish set up an aluminum production company, a production capacity that can manufacture all railway vehicles, which will be produced within the project to manufacture homemade electric trains. As part of the production of these trains, the assembly of the prototype was completed. Its speed reached 160 km per hour, and tests began on it. The infrastructure, capabilities developed within the project will be used. This is intended to implement the project of a homemade express train with a speed of 225 km per hour. In this project, he plans to make some changes to existing designs for use in high-speed trains. The company Turkish continues to design and produce homemade electric locomotives. While electric and diesel locomotives are produced under license from a foreign company within the group, the experience gained from these projects will be used for the production of domestic electric locomotives. Production of a prototype of a new generation diesel engine continues. With a power of 8 cylinders, the engine part is the most powerful engine, and a capacity of 1,200 horsepower, which began production in 2018. Turkish has completed the design and manufacture of the new generation of homemade freight wagons and is currently exporting them. A prototype of a homemade electric express train. Turkey will improve the research, development, design and production capabilities of local industries by producing important components imported in the railway sector with local components. In addition to targeting the establishment of a national brand in this field, The Turkish Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure will complete this year. Domestic electric train production chain, initial production and preparation for the series. By the Turkish Railways Directorate Company Tourises. Turkey also aims to start manufacturing the prototype of the domestic electric locomotive for mass production in 2022. The design work of the train project is scheduled to be completed in 2023, and its speed will reach 225 km per hour. A prototype will be manufactured. And by the centenary of the founding of the Turkish Republic in 2023, the domestic production rate of railway vehicles will reach 80%, including metro and trams. The proportion of domestic cars used in tram systems will reach 60%. The design of the domestic metro project was included in the program to begin production of the prototype in the suburban train project in 2023. Moreover, the construction of the Test and Research Center for National Railway Systems in Eskişehir will be completed. It will contribute to ensuring the quality and reliability of local railway vehicles, both domestically and internationally. This center will be supplemented to meet the needs of the company Torasak. In addition to implementing an operational model that includes relevant research institutes and centers. In addition to the manufacture of this train will lead to the construction of new railways. It will greatly improve transportation in Turkey, realizing the application of new railway technology, accelerating the economic development of cities along the line in Turkey. Turkey is currently working on several railway projects such as the Konya-Kerman Express Train Project, the Turkey Express Train, the Turkey-Bulgaria Railway, the China-Turkey Railway Project, and the United Arab Emirates. There are a lot of projects that we will talk about in the next video. In your opinion, can Turkey reach the stage of manufacturing homemade trains? Will it be the best trains in the world? Is there any information we didn't mention? Write it in the comments. Here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.